Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. We are going to learn Chapter 9 Adjectives. We are going to learn Chapter 9 Adjectives. In this class, we are going to learn what is an adjective and the types of adjectives. Come, let us learn. First, let me explain what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun and a pronoun. Adjective is a word that describes a noun and a pronoun or modifies the noun or pronoun. For example, Vijay is a boy. So here there is no adjective. They are mentioned Vijay is a boy. So we have to add an adjective here. Vijay is a good boy. What kind of boy Vijay is? Vijay is a good boy. Now let us see the types of adjectives. There are 8 types of adjectives. They are proper adjectives, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjectives, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and proper adjectives. Now let us see one by one. First, proper adjectives. What is proper adjectives? Proper adjectives are formed from proper noun. They describe a thing by referring to the proper nouns. Means the proper adjectives are formed from proper noun, especially from the names of places and persons. For example, Indian women make faithful wives. Those who are faithful wives, Indian women. So here Indian is a proper adjectives. Punjabi food is famous the world over. Which food is the famous world over? Punjabi. So Punjabi is a proper adjective. Another one example also, this is Japanese doll. So the doll is where is from? Japanese. So Japanese is a proper adjectives. Now let us see the second one, adjectives of quality. The word quality that describes a quality of a noun or pronoun. It describes the quality of noun. Noun means a person, thing, place, anything. Name of anything is called noun, as we know very well. So it describes the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, I have a nice teddy. So teddy is a noun. So it is describing a teddy, nice teddy. So nice is a quality. So we can tell brown teddy, amazing teddy, or cute teddy. So it describes the quality of the noun. It answers the question of what kind of a person, what kind of thing, what kind of place. So it answers the question of what kind. Now see the third one, adjective of quantity. The word describes the quantity of a noun or pronoun. For example, I have enough money. Here enough is a quantity. It answers the question of how much. So we can say instead of enough we can use I have some money, I have little money, or I have more money. Here is the quantity means something. So it's not exact, okay, this much, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. It is not exact one. It's a quantity of something, some, little, more, many, few. So this is adjective of quantity. It answers the question of how much. Now let us see the next one, adjective of number. Here we can, this adjective of number will describe the exact number. I told before, the adjective of quantity will not mention the exact amount. Here the number will describe the exact number. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. Suppose she is having only one apple. So Shivani has an apple. If she has 10 apples, Shivani has 10 apples or 11 apples or 8 apples. So it is answer the question of how many. Now let us see the interrogative adjectives. These are called WH words are used here to ask a question to a noun. So we will use WH questions to ask a question to the noun. So now what are the WH words? Who, what, which, whom, whose. Now let us see the example. Which book is yours? This is a interrogative adjective. Book is a noun, so which is a interrogative adjective. The next one you see pronoun. Which is your book? Here is a verb. Before verb they used which, so it is a pronoun. Instead of noun they are which is given, so it is a pronoun. First the first one is describing the noun, it is a adjective, so it is a interrogative adjective. The next one is a distributive adjectives. It describes that the person or thing named or taken separately. So we can here it will be show the group but are taken one at a time separately. So here always in the distributive adjectives we will use each, every, either, neither. So these words will be used in the distributive adjectives. For example, every word he said was true. Each boy has got a candy. Now let us see the next one. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective means pointing out a person, thing or animal. Demonstrative means pointing out. For example, this book is mine. This book is mine. This we are pointing out, or that book is mine. These book, those books. So these are demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are called pointing out adjectives. Now let us see the last one, possessive adjectives. Words that are used to show a ownership. Ownership. It will answer the question of whose house this, whose bat this, whose book this. So it will answer the question of whose. So here possessive adjective will show the ownership. For example, Joe left his bat at home. Here his is a possessive adjective. Here his is a possessive adjective. We can use some more possessive adjectives. My, our, here, their. So they are possessive adjective. Now you see the possessive pronoun. The bat next to the window is his. Here his is not describing the noun, but here used instead of noun. Instead of noun the his is used. That's why this is a pronoun. His is a pronoun here. So this is not a possessive adjective. This is a possessive pronoun. So Joe left his bat at home. Here his is meaning the possessive. So that is a possessive adjective. We always will have the confusion between whether it is a adjective or pronoun. So if you see the word, if any sentence you are seeing, the word used instead of noun, the word used instead of noun means that is a pronoun. The word used to describe the noun, they are describing about the noun means they are adjective. So you need not to have a confusion. One more time let me explain. The word used instead of noun, that is a pronoun. The word used to describe noun, that is a adjective. I hope you all understood. Now let us revise once again what we learned today. We learned the types of adjectives and what is an adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective means it will describe the noun or pronoun. And we learned about 8 kinds of adjectives. Now let us see one example for each kind. Proper adjective. Indian women make faithful wives. Here Indian is a proper adjective because proper adjective especially they are given from the names of places or persons. Adjective of quantity. Quantity means it will answer the question of what kind. For example, baby has soft skin. Here soft, what kind of skin the baby has? Soft. So soft is a quality. So it is a adjective of quality. Next one, adjective of quantity. I have enough knowledge. Enough is a quantity. The quantity, adjective of quantity will answer the question of how much. Next one, adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. So here first is a number. It will answer the question of how many. Next one is interrogative adjective. We will use WH questions here to ask a question to noun. Whose bicycle is this? Here whose is a interrogative adjective. Next one is a distributive adjective. I told you before itself, the distributive adjective means we will use each, every, neither, either. So here each we used. Each boy has got a candy. Here each is a distributive adjective. Next one is a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective means pointing out. That pen is mine. Here that is a demonstrative adjective. Next one is a possessive adjective. It will show the ownership. My mother is here. Whose mother? My mother. My is a possessive adjective. So revise once again and you will understand, learn the definition and do the exercise. Thank you dear children. Have a nice day.